Hey everyone! So you think a European capital has to be expensive? Let me show you how Lisbon will steal your heart without stealing your wallet. Start your day where every local does at a Miradouro. These viewpoints are completely free and honestly, they offer the best postcard-perfect shots in the city. And for breakfast, do as the Portuguese do. A bica, that's a killer espresso and a warm, creamy pastel de nata. Total damage, around €3. Now, for the most famous tour in town, Tram 28. For a couple of euros, this rickety yellow tram takes you on a roller coaster ride through the city's oldest, most picturesque neighborhoods. It's a moving postcard. Hop off in Alfama, Lisbon's oldest quarter. Get lost on purpose. The real magic is in these narrow streets, where you can hear the soul of fado music drifting from open windows. When you get hungry, skip the tourist traps. Grab a bifana, a simple, juicy pork sandwich. It's a flavor bomb that costs less than €4. For one of the best deals in Lisbon, take the public ferry from Cais do Sodré. For just over €1, you get a breathtaking boat tour with unbeatable views of the bridge and the Cristo Rei statue. As the sun starts to set, join the crowds at a Miradouro. Grab a cheap beer from a kiosk, find a spot on the wall, and watch the city turn to gold. This is the perfect Lisbon evening. For dinner, find a tasca. These are family-run spots where you can get a solid, home-cooked meal and a glass of wine without breaking the bank. Remember, in Lisbon, the best experiences often cost the least. Lisbon proves that you don't need a fortune to have a rich experience. It's a city of soul-stirring views, affordable flavors, and timeless charm. If you enjoyed this little tour, hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly adventures across the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.